This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
The Blue Oval brand is going back to its roots while shaking up how things get done. The company says it plans to sink $2 billion into the Louisville, Kentucky assembly plant to build a mid-sized truck on a universal EV platform, which weighs less, has fewer parts, and changes the way the assembly line system operates since it was created by Henry Ford more than a century ago. The move comes after a 3-year ultra-secret project to compete in the EV market. But why make this kind of move when analysts and the public's interest in battery electric vehicles seems to be cooling off?
We're at a crossroads about new technology and about new competition from everywhere. We saw this coming for years. We knew that the Chinese would be the major player for us globally. Companies like BYD, new startups from around the world. Big technology has their ambition in the auto space. They're all coming for us, legacy automotive companies.
With a target of having this new platform ready for the public by 2027, Ford is promising it will be comparable in passenger room to the Toyota RAV4 and have a starting price of $30,000. To meet that goal, the plant will move away from a traditional assembly line to a modular build process that will supposedly be faster and require fewer parts like extensive wiring harnesses.
We have now full access where typically we would be reaching in through the door, twist, turn in order to install parts. Now everything is right in front of you.
In comparison with existing EVs like the F-150 Lightning, these new units will have a smaller battery with the same or better range and using a different kind of lithium phosphate chemistry.
It's clear that this product and the plant is going to be designed more around the employees. Ergonomics has been taken into it a whole lot more. We should have a healthier workforce, should be able to go home to your families and not be sore at the end of the day.
With the entire vehicle and power system built in the U.S., Ford is betting this major shift will appeal to future customers and keep the company viable for the next few years. I'm Greg Morrison.